Anshan International Airport Information Map reporting date July 16. Strong teams are popular. Anshan 8933. Anshan 8933. Fighter Cop, can you hear me? Please answer. Fighter Captain. Fighter Captain. Fighter Captain. Fighter Captain. Fighter Captain. You don't want your life. This is the famous no man's land. No, I can't leave him alone, Zhang Jining. Where are you? You must not let anything happen to you. Shang Jinian. Shang Jinian. These few years, don't sleep and tell me. Alright. Alright. It's an ID card. Cherish you, don't be afraid. I will definitely rescue you on. The fever finally subsided. I can live with peace of mind. Promise. Promise. I went to a friend's party last night. Did no one find out that you went to the support group on my behalf? No. You just joined today. I was pretending to be an Anshan employee last night. Anshan is the first line company. If discovered, get fired. If you catch us both, we won't be able to survive in the industry. You are my best friend. But you can't trick me. I guarantee no one will find out. Come and gather in the master's office. Director Zhang came to inspect the cabin department today. Bottle wine, have you arranged the person I'm looking for? The young master doesn't remember what that girl looks like. I've already asked someone to greet the cabin department. Said he wanted to inspect it personally. Will he still remember me? Yes. Raise your head. What to do? If you were caught by the police, you would know that I was pretending to be an outside employee, and I will be expelled. These few years. Don't sleep. Wake up. May I have your name? Promise I am Han Yi who will report today. Put him on my crew. Yes. Fighter Captain. All the members of crew B are here. Where is your name brand? I forgot to ask the patrol to get my name tag back after I finished it. You wouldn't have fired me in the past few years, right? Sorry, I forgot it on the mountain plane. Gu Qiao was temporarily transferred to Baikan yesterday. Didn't get a good rest. Inevitable negligence. Your name is Gu Qiao. The ancestors all died, right? Tell me a few words first. Director Zhang, you know me. This is your thing. How come Zhang Jianian has my famous brand? Could it be that he discovered the fake promise he made last night? It's Director Zhang. You listen to my explanation. What happened last night was really not expensive. You left support early. If you want to leave, I won't pursue it. I already said that. You saved me. From now on, you will be my fiancé. What? Last night, I went to rescue someone who had been obviously a promise for several years. But after a few years, I don't seem to know who that person is. Chief Accountant, do you really want to marry me? You are the young master of AXA Group. I'm just an ordinary person. Certainly. Everyone in Jiangping knows. This ring is a symbol of the hostess of the Zhang family. Now I can give her to you. If you don't want to, I will give you a sum of money as a thank you fee. Miss Gu, please think carefully. Zhou. Hey Xiaonuo. Why are you here? Zhou, I didn't find the center director's office. Can you take me there? Ah, okay. Xiaonuo, nothing happened to you last night. No. What's wrong? Ah, nothing. I'm just asking casually. This, yes. Ah, this is the birthday gift Lu Simon gave me yesterday. It just looks familiar. It looks exactly like the Zhang family's heirloom ring. How can it be? The rumors are not true. Oh. Ah, Xiano. There's something I have to tell you. He doesn't like women who deliberately approach him in recent years. No matter who the female employee he had physical contact with once. All fired. You should stay away from him from now on. Yeah. Of course. He's currently dating your high school crush. It's different. He is the superior Mr. Anshan. Such a person. I despise the kind of people who rely on their bodies to get to the top. If Zhang Jining knew what happened that night, he will definitely think that I approached him on purpose. Then drive me ashore. Director Shou Shaoxu, get ready. The captain's crew report will arrive at the station immediately. What's wrong? The leader arranged for me to report to the fighter captain's crew. What? Xiaonuo, have you offended someone? I really want to take you to the crew that has been occupied for several years. Lend his hand to target you. This is unlikely. I just joined Danshang. Who can I offend? Yeah, Shao Zhiyao. The leader is urging me. I'm leaving first. No, I have to stop him from reporting to the police liaison group. This way they won't be able to meet each other. Ah. Kiao. Zhou, what's wrong with you? My little slave, my head hurts so much, Kiao. Kiao. It's been half an hour. Why hasn't this patrol come yet? The person from that night has been found. It's not him. It seems I'm overthinking. There is no room for mistakes in flying. Anshang doesn't need such unruly people. Fired immediately. Right. By the way, Director Shen, members of the emergency search and rescue team last night, is there going to be a bonus? They give everyone a 3-month bonus. Gu Kiao is the flight attendant of a group of flight attendants. Pernsa. Director Shen, is this not in compliance with the regulations? Oh well. Commander, I'll do it right away. Commander, I've thought about it. I am willing to accept the ring and give it to your fiancé. No problem. Kiao, what's wrong with you? You all regret this for a few years, right? What to do or he discovered something? Acute shock. Could it be food poisoning? Jojo, when did you eat at the party yesterday? No. It shouldn't be. There should be no other possibility besides food poisoning. How about you think about it again? Keep talking about what I did last night. Didn't you just help me go to the search and rescue team? You voluntarily went and stood there for a few years. What to wear now? The fighter pilot's partners have already arrived in the conference room. I didn't mean that. Kiao, why don't you take a good rest? I arranged for someone to pick you up and take you to the station for inspection if the station check person encounters a promise, but I can't explain it clearly. Shao Nuo, I'm sorry. I just didn't feel well. That's why I'm angry with you. Even if there is nothing to do, patients will have anxiety. As a doctor, I understand. I want to eat Wuji's fried pancakes. Can you help me buy it? Okay. Hello, madam. Hello, madam. Waiting for your report. If you don't come here, you'll really be fired. How come you forgot about the report? It's a shame to promise. Oh, this is mine. Look, this is Mom. I'm getting engaged. This is the housekeeper at my fiancé's house, Fianc. Mrs. Gu, this is the Zhang family's exclusive unlimited This is the betrothal gift from the young master to Miss Gu. Promise. Do you know how difficult it is to enter the fighter captain? Let us wait for you here for an hour. Sorry. Director Zhuang, a colleague just fainted. I've been taking care of him. I forgot to report it. Who did you save? I'll check it myself. Gu Kiao from the 3rd Department of Science and Technology. He is in the company ward now. If you don't believe it, I can take you there. But Kiao has obviously been taken to Zhang's house. How could he still be in the company? It seems this is just his excuse. Doctor, Zhu is very courageous. How dare you tease me with such a clumsy lie? I didn't lie. I'll call him right away. Let him testify for me personally. I have no obligation to watch you act. Go out. Shaozu, what a pity. I've always been very optimistic about you. It's my fault that the director didn't report on time. But I really just wanted to save the town for a moment of love. I believe you. So, you should first write an application for manuscript transfer and return it to the I'll ask the fighter captain to explain later. He is not an unreasonable person either. Maybe there will be a turning point. Director, don't worry. I will definitely find an opportunity to explain things clearly. Hello, the number you dialed is currently on a call. Please call again later. Look what's going on. What's wrong? Why don't you even answer the phone? Haven't you already found someone? Why do I still feel empty inside? Directors on. This is the promise transfer application. This application is written with a promise. Of course, this needs to be archived. Must be filled in by hand. Go ahead and get busy. Strangeness. How could his handwriting be exactly the same as that of the woman that night? Strangeness. How could his handwriting be exactly the same as that of the woman that night? Kiao, where are you now? Why didn't you answer my call yesterday? Don't worry about me. How are you? He probably hasn't given you any trouble in the past few years, right? If you lose your job because of me, then I will be sad. He misunderstood that I was late on purpose, but I have nothing to do for now. I'm going back to work at the Yijian Center first. Why have I been in Anshan for so many years? I have never seen anyone be soft on anyone in the past few years. Could it be that he has fallen in love with Zhu Nuo? Kiao, when will you be free? Let me take you to explain it to Zhang Jingnian. Although it may not be possible to return to fight Jingnian's crew, but it's also good to clear up the misunderstanding. What's the matter? Are you inconvenient? Ah, how could it be possible without this? Oh, it scared me to death. Why hasn't the tool been repaired yet? I almost got hit just now. Shaonuo Road. The ring Simon gave me. I left it in the tool room of the maintenance department. If you have time, can you help me look for it? Oh good. I happen to have time now. Then I'll go take a look. Go quickly. Captain Zuan, why? No, I have to save him. Fighter commander. Doctor. Sir, many things in this tool room are in disrepair. Several shelves inside are broken. Let's call for help. Go call someone for help. I'll go in and save people. You don't want your life. Why? Fighter captain. Are you okay? I'm fine. Station sister. Don't sleep. Her voice. The young master is injured. Good old lady. Why is Jinlin injured? Yes, I just received the message. The old lady asked me to go to Anshan. Young master can't. I have to go and see too. What's wrong? It's a Wang. Who was that person that night? Director Zhang, your test results should be out soon. I'll get it. I'll go myself. After all, you were injured to save me. It's better not to move around as you are now. I'll go. I'm just going to do something. Report it and I'll get it. This lady. Where is Xiang Kaoren? I heard he was injured. Our lady came to see him. Mrs. Zhang Jinning is married. What little bitch is this? How dare you seduce Jimmy in front of me? Take a look. Ah, since the introduction is not here, you should go look elsewhere first. Good. Quietly. How many years have you known each other? Also his wife. How can it be? I just came to the station captain to ask for leave. I haven't been feeling well lately. Want to rest for some time? Kiao, are you okay? Otherwise, I will take you for a physical examination. No need. I went to the hospital for a checkup. The doctor said I'm too weak. Just take a good rest for a while. Good. Ah, my mother made this for you. I told you to make up for it. Thank you, and for me. Say this. We have been good sisters since childhood. Oh, right. Kiao, I reported on being late before. You happen to be here today. Please help me explain it to Zhang Jingning. Ah. What's the matter? Are you inconvenient? Ah. No. How can that be possible? Master, are you okay? Ah. Shao Nuo, my stomach feels uncomfortable. I want to go to the bathroom. Hey Kiao. What's wrong with you? Do you want me to go back to the infirmary and get it for you? It's okay. No need. Why? Hey, where's madam? It's been 5 days. For several years, I was urged to change medicine 3 times a day. Isn't this just torturing me? This woman's mouth is really tight. It's been 5 days, and I haven't taken on anything. Doctor, you are avenging a private vendetta. Captain, you misunderstood. This will help your wound heal as quickly as possible. Doctor, Zhu just came to the company. Do you have any familiar friends? Could it be that Zhang Jinyan wants to investigate what happened that night again? It seems that Dr. Zhu does have old friends in AXA. Director Zhang, no misunderstanding. Gu Kiao from the flight attendant. You and I both graduated from Beijing, no? You don't know middle school. Do not know. I remember. Please respect yourself. Ah, sorry. I'll pay you 1 piece. I can't invite the lady here. I want to go to the luxury private room. Bring me the best in your store. This is the Zhang family black card. You are. I am Mr. Zhong's fiancé. Oh, it turns out to be Madam. Madam, please come here. Captain Zhang, to express my apology. Let me treat you to a meal. The private rooms here require a VIP card to enter. The chefs are all Michelin chefs. Based on my understanding of your consumption level, are you sure you want to treat me to dinner here? Your clothes are worth 6 figures. But I bought a 200 discount model. Accompany you. I have to treat you to a meal before I feel happy. I never let others treat me. Just give me a chance to apologize. Otherwise, I would be really embarrassed. Well, if I don't eat, this money should be enough to treat the fighter captain to a meal, right? I'm going to the bathroom. Who is that person in the box? How come the chef is serving it himself? You do not know. That young man from Anshan. Zhang Jinglian. I've heard that the Zhang family is the most wealthy family in Jiangking. Isn't that guest in the box a woman? What does it have to do with Zhang Jinglian? That's Zhang Jinglian's fiancée. The website owner has a fiancé. What does it have to do with you, right? The lady who came today. Not only does she have the exclusive ring for the hostess of the station, there is also a black card exclusive to the website owner. I have had a fiancé for the past few years. I promise you these 10 years. You risk your life to save him. It's like a joke. Mister, we'll pair at table 3. You haven't ordered yet. Deposit 20,000 first. Okay. Kinian, I'm in the restaurant. What do you want to eat? I'll send it to you. Jinian, I'm in the restaurant. What do you want to eat? I'll send it to you. No need. I ate it at the company. What kind of tea is this? Do you want to burn me to death? Madam, I'm so sorry. How do you do things? If it gets burned, madam, can you afford the compensation? Oops, look. You've made a fortune. I invited my mother to dinner at Yuxi Anju. Mom is coming. Hey, okay. Fighter captain your tie. Forget it, let me do it. Isn't that Mr. Son? The little bitch dares to seduce Mr. Son. Kiao, come quickly. There's a little bitch here seducing a warrior. But why does this person's back look so familiar to me? What? Miss Gu, is there any problem? How dare this person seduce Mr. Zhang right under my nose? You haven't driven him away yet. This is Sha Zhang. Miss Gu, this man was just asking about Mr. Shang's fiancé. What? I have been refusing to announce my identity to the public for several years. Can I take advantage of the situation and make him admit that I am the young master of the Zhang family? Stop. 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 Doesn't Kiao look a bit like Zhu Nuo's mother? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Take us away quickly. Sorry, Miss Zhu. If front is our VIP area, you can go in. Why do I feel that the person in front of me looks so familiar? There are so many similar people in the world today. What's so weird about the back view? I also fight against the captain and the noble man who forgets many things. How can we little people be remembered by the fighter captain? What does Zhu Shang mean? Promise, what are you thinking? I have had a fiancé for several years, and do you want to make Kiao unemployed? It's okay. Go back to the company together. I'm injured. How can I get out? Why? Open. Why? You said you assumed the promised identity. She just became Zhang Jinglian's fiancé. Mom, please keep your voice down. Look how you can do such a thing. If Mr. Zhang finds out that you like our family is completely ruined. It was him who recognized the wrong person. What does it have to do with me? Besides, I went to him to apologize. Can he let me go? That being the case, then you should find a way to make rice with him. Chief Gu, The award ceremony for the search and rescue team is about just waiting for you. This Gu Qiao is so courageous. He actually risked his life to go to no man's land and get a few tickets. If it weren't for him, where did we get the bonus? Yeah, I didn't expect that he usually looks so polite. Can't even close the door. You can actually lead a grown man out of no man's land. Oh, let me tell you, this is a life-saving grace. Forget about getting promoted. Maybe Master Zhang will marry her as his wife. It's not impossible. 2. Qiao is a famous and beautiful stewardess of our era. He and Mr. Zhang are a perfect match. Yes, the fighter captain always likes to do things according to the rules. Gu Qiao was promoted to 2 levels I think it's not impossible. Qiao, didn't we drink at the bar that night? When did you save him? Keep your voice down and don't worry so much. See you at the station. Why did he come here after he promised? Look at these people. Didn't we go together to rescue Zhang Jingnian that night? This is the single pilot commander. Let me introduce to you. This is a colleague from a center. Also the new member of my crew promises. Doctor, so, first meet. I am Gu Qiao. Please give me some advice. Please take care of me, Miss Gu. Let's start the meeting. Come, let's all give a round of applause to Chief Gu. Congratulations to him for becoming our airline's youngest flight attendant. Thanks to Chief Gu for taking our whole group to flight. Sister Qiao, it was so dark at that time. It's no man's land again. How did you find Zhang at that time? Captains, yes, that no man's land. Even many professional expedition teams. I haven't even been able to come out yet. I heard there are a lot of venomous snakes and beasts inside. Yes, Jojo, tell us about it. Us. I was lucky at that time. After walking a few steps, I saw a fighter jet. I clearly landed in the middle of no man's land that night. How could he find me so casually? It's not right. I remember we searched the area for a long time. I didn't even see the fighter commander. Qiao, are you confused? All forgotten. Right. The situation that day was too complicated. I can't remember clearly either. The weather was bad that night. After Qiao sent me to the hospital, he also fell into a coma. It's normal if you don't remember. Fighter Captain Yo. Of course. I lay in the hospital all night. After I woke up, I couldn't remember many things. What happened to the New Year? You sent me to the hospital that night. Yes. What's wrong? Miss Gu, you'd better explain it to me clearly. Why did I wake up in a tent? New Year, don't get me wrong, I misunderstood. Who was the person who said that night? New Year, you heard me. It's okay not to say it. Now get out of Shenzhen Bank. I'll check it myself. Of course I know the date. I took you to a tent. I just don't want to be in front of my colleagues, just exposing our relationship. I know the date. Do you feel now not a good time to make a relationship public? I want to wait until you decide. Then announce this to everyone in person. So did you leave anything behind? Of course. I left a handwritten note showing off the title of the book. He's right. Besides, it's not surprising that the two of them are facing each other. Shaonuo, help me. Tell me everything about you and the money taking that day. Zhang Jianian. Don't sleep. Sorry, 稍后see ya. I can't say. Jean-Noel, I beg you. I don't want to lose this. You can understand me about this job, right? It seems that Zunwo cannot be allowed to stay in Anshan any longer. This patrol is really smart. You were picked up as soon as the work was done, not to mention the crew that has been fighting also for interviewed years on behalf of new employees of the this company. Time but it's just one step to reach the sky. It seems that Dr. Zhu really has to brush his. Hey, I don't know if this is powerful or not. Maybe it has something to do with the fighter plane in private. Maybe. Zhou. It is said that you will be interviewed by reporters tonight on behalf of the new employees. Congratulations. Oh, it's not a big deal. There weren't many new employees in this group to begin with. I'm just lucky that I was chosen. Hey, your ring. What happened to the ring? Didn't you leave your ring in the tool room? Oh, I found it later. I always forgot to tell you. It's better to worry about your interview first. The new king is your highlight moment. Is the dress ready? Where is the need for a dress? Just go for it. That's not okay. I'll give you a set. You must wear. Oh, no need. I still feel uncomfortable. The dress is too grand. That won't work. If you don't agree with me, you don't treat me as a friend. Okay, then I'll treat you to dinner in 2 days. Okay. Promise. Let me think about which one is suitable for you. I see how you still have the nerve to stay in the darkroom. Take a look. Isn't this too grand? King today. They are all prominent figures in the industry. Where is the grandness? Is it true that you look good in this outfit? Of course it's true. Okay, come on in. The reporters inside are still waiting to take pictures of you. Thank you for taking a look. How so? If you don't move, your clothes will fall off completely. Zheng Jining, what happened to your dress? I have no idea. I'll take you to change one. How can you accept an interview like this? Promise. What's the point? You made such a mistake. Cancel today's interview. Even if the interview is cancelled, then we can't let Zhu Shang be photographed wearing a torn dress, right? Captain Zhang, can you lend me your coat? Thanks. Miss Zhu, as an outstanding graduate of Imperial Medical College, why did you choose Anshan? AXA is the #1 airline in China. It is also the dream thread in the hearts of many civil aviation people, whether it's colleagues or fellow passengers. It is absolutely right to choose AXA. Since Ms. Zuyu is so satisfied with AXA. So what moved you at AXA? Go quickly. Half. One time the shelf in the tool room fell over. It was the fighter captain who held up the shelf. My colleagues and I just escaped. The fighter captain was seriously injured trying to save us. After fighting for several years, he was looking at me. It is said that Anshang's fighter captain is a cold-faced king of hell. I didn't expect the employees to be so considerate. Then you are wrong. I've heard about it. To protect other pilots. The most dangerous routes are those flown by fighter planes. This concludes tonight's interview, everyone. Anshang has prepared a dinner for you all. Hope you all have a great time tonight. There is a close training next week for half a month. All my crew will participate. You can too. Looks like I need to start early. What are you doing? Jenian, your injury hasn't healed yet. This is the bone broth I spent 3 hours making. You drink some. Look at you. Let's on Jingli and take this medicine. Mom promises that you are the daughter-in-law of the Zhang family. From now on, just leave this kind of thing to the servants. I recently bought a bracelet at auction. I'll have someone take it to your room later. You know how many years? From beginning to end, all I want is you. Can you fulfill my wish for me in this year? Kenyan, I am your fiancé. I even saved your life. Do you dislike me? I'm a little tired today. You go back and rest first. Start the new year. It won't be too late for me to come back for a few more years after the medicine takes effect. You've been such a big scumbag these past few years. You. Where are you? Lu Zimin. Don't go. Keep drinking. He has been sent back by me. Where do you live? I tell you. You're a bad person. What you say doesn't count. You clearly said you would marry me before. What did you say? Could he really be the one from that night? I say you. You. What are you talking about? I wonder what happened today. Fan Jining. Why are you here? This is my home. Let me go first. Why is your face red? Do you have a fever and feel uncomfortable? This is something I've been fighting for several years, my fiancé. Commander, please respect yourself. It's getting late. I won't bother you. I go first. It's so late and you drank again. Where can you go? This is not something you, a married man, should have to worry about. Send Dr. Zhu home in the morning. That is. Isn't it because they have been seducing you for a few years? It's all right under my nose. What? Shangmo, why are you looking at it? What's the matter? Shangmo, let's go first. Can I explain this to you later? Other one. Zhang Jinian, your fiancé is Guki Yanqiao. How come I never knew? You spend time with my best friend. Let's talk about Ronald Dinho later, okay? Say what you say. I was the one who saved Zhang Jinian that night. Not you. It was really you who saved me that night. What are you busy with? Miss Zhu commemorates our 8th boat together. Thanks. Please take a seat. The new office is nice. Look, he's gone. This is all his own choice. I already let him out for your sake. If anyone dares to touch you again in the future, I will never show mercy. Zhang Jingning, you said if I hadn't been drunk that night, if I hadn't told the truth, then I will definitely find you. Promise me from beginning to end. The only person I like is you. I believe you.